Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Lovely people, are you tired of having same taste of stew? Oh yeah, come, let's use different recipe entirely and get a different taste. This Sunday your taste of stew will be different. So inside the pot I have fresh pepper, bell pepper and fresh tomatoes. I'll add water into it and start boiling. Yes, cook it like this. And inside this pistol I have the remaining fresh pepper. So this is one of the protein we'll be using. I'll have to peel it off one after the other. For those of you that don't know how to peel, if you want to have a very smooth peeled egg, this is the best way you can remove the shell. Yes, after cooking, add cold water into it, then you start peeling like this. It will give you a very smooth and good looking egg, just like this one. Yeah, so actually this is the one of the protein we'll be using for this video. So let me seize the opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. Honestly, I love you guys. To you all my subscribers, my new subscribers, my intended subscribers, these kisses are for you. So stay tuned to see the full video. We are done with the egg and this is it. So we'll set aside and come back. This is one of the ingredients we'll be using. This is curry leaf. Yeah, curry leaf. Have you tried this with your stew? Oh my god, the taste is something else. Yes, this is one of the magic we'll be doing today. I'll be blending fresh pepper, crayfish and curry leaf. I'll be pounding them, yes, using my local water and pestle to pound the three together. Let me tell you something. Stop all this processed seasoning. Use this flavor, this seasoning, and come back to tell me thank you. This thing will give you not just the taste but a natural, a natural taste. Try these ingredients, these 3 ingredients, and come back to say thank you. Just pound and so we'll return back to the tomatoes. As you can see, it's already boiling. Yeah, it is good to go. Take a look at it very well. I'll have to transfer it back into my filter so that the water can drain. Yeah, this is how it will come out. It's already cooked though. At this point the sour taste has already gone out. Yes, it has already gone out. So I'll have to introduce it into a mortar. Then I will start pounding. Keep blender aside, let my hand get busy because I want it to come out something like this. Yeah, I don't want it very smooth. So I will now return to my empty pot, introduce vegetable oil into it. And my secret ingredients, just little of palm oil. Don't allow it to overburn. And the next thing is onion will be introduced into the pot. So at this point I'll be using tin tomatoes. Yes, I'll be adding this thing first. This is the first tomato I'll be adding. That's because the fresh tomato is already pre-cooked and the sour is already gone. That's why I'll be adding this tin tomato first. Most times the tin tomato has this sour taste. That's why I have to put it first. Yeah, try this, and if you are the type that always has sour stew each time you mix fresh tomato and tin tomato, try this and you come back to say thank you, because when you fry the fresh tin tomato first, the sour taste will go off. Then now I will now introduce the tomato. We already know that I pre-cooked the tomato, so it will not take long. It will not take long and everything will be good to go. So if you always have sour stew, please try this recipe. If somebody adding the protein, the meat, I used beef. The previous one I added was juice from the steamed meat. The next one was that combination of curry leaf, crayfish and fresh pepper. I've added egg, and what I'm adding now is seasoning, and this is salt. I will test to see if it's, yummy. And as you can see, the test is good to go. My dear, if you are tired of having same taste of stew, if you are tired of having sour stew, each time you mix steamed tomato and fresh tomato, everybody will be getting basbos on their chin. Try this recipe and thank me later. The test is something else. Yes, come over, my dear lovely people. Let's start dissecting because it is ready. Yes, this food is for all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, and all my intended subscribers. Come over. We have to dissect this food together because you guys are the best. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for staying in tune. Thank you for watching till this moment. Honestly, this kisses is for you. And in fact, start coming over with your spoon. Yes, start coming, because you know what? I can't eat this alone. I can't dissect this food without you guys. Because your things, they give me strength. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Please do like, comment, and subscribe.